Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then use the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In those pop-ups though, about new updates, you can hit wherever you want to and then tap on your device's displays. When you finish, hit send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi and receive right next to send at the bottom of Samsung. Also on Xiaomi, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go on with only a couple though, just for example. When you finished, hit send next to selected at the bottom over here. Then choose Got It and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers before they expire. And choose Receive. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!